Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library. In this video we'll be going over the general outline of different languages that you can learn in Mango Languages. So I've just got my account logged in here just to show you what one of the language learning pages looks like. So after you've selected a language you'd like to learn, it'll take you to this overview page. And within each of these languages, there'll be a number of main units. So for example, in Japanese, there's introductions, connections, community, etc. And within each of these main units, there'll be individual chapters. And within each chapter, there'll be individual lessons, which is where you'll find the actual content of what you're learning. They've broken it down in this way to try and give you a general overview of the language, but also to break it down into smaller, more digestible lessons and pieces of information. Within each of these lessons, there'll be audio aspects, there'll be verbal aspects where you'll be asked to repeat certain things that you've learned in the lesson, as well as to try and write and do other tasks to try and test your knowledge and to reinforce what you have learned in it. So I'm just going to click on the first lesson here. May take just one moment to load. So if you've never used the Mango languages before, I'll give you this brief overview of how the conversations, pronunciation, recognizing patterns, and asking you to speak into your microphone so that way it can analyze what you have said to try and give you feedback. And each of these lessons will give you these little goals and other overviews of what you will learn in that individual lesson. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact the Port Moody Public Library and we will assist you.